here. So now let this roll all the way. Nice. There you go. Let it go all the way. Start there. Ooh, there it is. There you go. You right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Couple in there. It was definitely that spot you were talking about. Yeah, you're very tight up here, mate.
Yeah. It's where the thinking has to happen. And the yelling at people has to happen.
That might be the best one I've heard.
Hold the burdens of the shot on my shoulders / yell at everyone.
It holds the big brain, is what you're saying. First, and then we're gonna go here. Okay. I'm just gonna bend you over this way. And then through here and that. Cool. You right?
Yeah.
This one over here. Alright, this one, just let that drop. There you go.